Hey, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to permanently delete your account on the Boo dating app. So as you can see right now I'm on the app library. If you can't find your app immediately, just type in Boo. There it is. I'm gonna open it. As you can see on the home page of the app right now, on the top left corner near the lightning bolt, you'll see a sandwich button. Gonna tap that. Here, you're going to look for the settings option in the menu. There it is on the bottom. And here we got to look for the account option. And there it is in the bottom of the menu. Here we're going to be looking for the delete account option. And here we're going to scroll a little bit down. Going to tap on delete. And there it is. Need a break? Pause your account instead, so you won't have to set up an account again. So I want to mention this before I delete my account. You can reactivate your deleted account in the first 30 days. So once I click delete and delete my account, the account is not actually permanently deleted. In the next 30 days, I can still reactivate it by trying to log into it and possibly verifying it through my email. But after those 30 days have passed, then you gotta create a whole another new account to be able to log in and use the app. So wanted to mention that right beforehand. If you guys needed that advice, needed that information, I'm gonna tap delete right now. Tell us why you're closing your account. Select now so here, doesn't really matter, just choose whatever. Found someone elsewhere, delete again. Permanently delete your account. Are you sure? So this is the part what I was talking about. We allow you a 30-day grace period in case you change your mind. All you have to do is log back within 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be cancelled permanently. So yeah, after this, click yes. And here we are. This is basically the exact same page you will be directed to when you first install the app and you wanna create an account. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if you guys want me to do any videos on any topic, anything you want. I'm glad to help you guys out. Peace out and have a nice day.